offices of MAELDUN and Buckle.
There's someone here to see you, Mr. MAELDUN.
Send them away, Tina. We're busy with People versus Lovecraft.
Mr. MAELDUN, it is the district attorney.
Flames of Ensul. Send him in, Tina.
Should I light the kettle?
No, Buckle.
I can release the snakes!
No, Buckle.
I can suck his life blood from his ear with the sacred billows of Humbibi!
Buckle, be still. On matters of great import.
Gentlemen, Mr. MAELDUN, Mr. Buckle.
That's MAELDUN, the ancient mage of the Ilwe Order, attorney at law.
And Buckle of Sticky Thorn Bog.
How may we be of service to you, Mr. Dexter?
May I sit?
I have foreseen it.
Mr. MAELDUN, if I may come to the point of order, there have been several complaints filed against your practice. And well, frankly, gentlemen, myself, the governor, and several district court judges are no longer willing to tolerate the decidedly unorthodox and dare I say, unscrupulous methods employed by your office in pursuance of counsel.
Well, no doubt they are envious of the powers that my colleague and I wield upon this world.
We have great powers!
Yes, be that as it may. Your office has been under investigation since June of 1996.
Ah, yes, June. You must be referring to our triumphant victory over Jones in Jones versus Jones.
Victory, Mr. MAELDUN. Don't you find it convenient that several of the key witnesses for the prosecution suddenly fell ill on the days of their respective testimonies?
Whoa. I myself had the sniffles in June. Lots of people were sick.
Is that proceed, Mr. Buckle? Mr. MAELDUN, where exactly did you receive your license to practice law?
I studied for 5 centuries in the high wooded vale of the great mage Mordainin and associates.
And how about you, Mr. Buckle?
What?
Where did you receive your license?
What?
Where did you receive your license? Where did
Mr.
you
Buckle
receive-
is dim of mind, but his soul glows with the leaping flames of the prophet. Buckle. We shall throw the bones to decide your fate, Mr. Dexter. I will cross your fingers. The bones are rarely merciful on Wednesday. The bones speak! I have foreseen your doom, Mr. Dexter. You would be wise to flee while you can.
Yeah, but first, I have here a full list of complaints compiled since June of 1996. June 24th, Judge Cooper is attacked in his chambers by a horde of Brazilian locusts. July 24th, 10 a.m., jurors recessed to deliberate the verdict. July 24th, 10:25 a.m., 2 jurors returned. The rest, goats.
Brazilian goats.
August 15th, court bailiff Arnie Sweeple developed scales and a forked tongue after trying to remove Mr. Buckle and his bellows from the courtroom.
Nobody touches the secret billows of Humbibi! Not even Arnie Schweikle.
October 9th, Judge Cooper walks to his car.
And is cursed.
November 17th, 2 p.m., several members of the press.
Are cursed!
Okay, here's one. December 24th, Christmas Eve, mind you. District Attorney Greg Dexter and his lovely wife Helen developed scurvy and are forced to spend their Christmas at the Reisinger Vitamin Deficiency Clinic, sucking onions and beets through a straw. Did you really think I wouldn't find out who ruined my Christmas? I was puckered and chapped for weeks. Oh, you think you can desecrate the American legal system with your skulls and your scrolls and your sideshow freak? I'm gonna have you disbarred, Mr. MAELDUN.
You dare to challenge the almighty MAELDUN, ancient mage of the Ilwe Order, attorney at law?
Good day to you, sir.
Your insolence is unforgivable, Mr. Dexter. What do you say, Buckle? Next Christmas, Mr. Dexter falls ill with anthrax.
Don't you threaten me. Let's see if your potions and your magic wands can keep you out of the federal penitentiary, pal. You know, seasons change and mountains may crumble, but justice never falters. I got a book of spells, too. It's called the Constitution of the United States of America. And there's no magic more pure, no billows more glorious than the scales of weighing justice.
Goodbye, Mr. Dexter. Now, Bucko!
Carina Valente and Silvio Francesco. My favorite. Oh, Muldoon, how did you know?
I see a great many things, Buckle. I have seen the 4 moons of Venturi rise over the ruby flats of Humberi, and many other things of greatness and power. But now back to people versus Lovecraft.
Right, boy,
Yeah!